Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lo here. I'm sorry I sound a little nasaled. I am sick. So yes, but I still gotta get this video out for you guys, okay? So what you're going to need is aloe vera. This is my leftover aloe vera leaf, gelatin, oil of your choice, and a container to put it in, preferably a glass jar, but for me I'm just gonna use my little Tupperware because I don't have a glass jar, you know. Use what you have. So I'm pretty much just cutting aloe vera in half to, you know, finish up this leaf, and I'm just scooping out all the gel from inside of it. Guys, do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below, okay, and turn on your notifications so you know when I upload. I had to put the plug in real quick. So yeah, just keep on scraping out all the gel out of the aloe vera leaf. Take your time doing this part, guys, because in the end you will have to take out some of the green leaf stuff because there are chips of the leaf that does get in the gel in the container if you're not careful. So I was just raking it out, and even though I was trying to go gentle like I can, I still had stuff in there. So I'm just going to open up this package of gelatin. It is non-flavored. I'm just using a teaspoon, I think, and a quarter. And I got this from Walmart. So I'm just going to beat this up real good. It's going to take a little while. You're going to get chunks. So just keep on blending it as much as you can. Mashing to get the size of the jar, bowl, whatever you have until it is smooth and all you have is pretty much gel. And it will thicken because I think this goes ahead and thickens the aloe vera. And then I go ahead and add my oil mix inside of it so it can help mask the smell as well as put the extra moisture that I want in my hair also into my gel. So it kind of knocks out 2 steps in one. So yeah, when I'm done, this is how it looks. It's real thick and gooey. So yeah, perfect though. So let's get right into it. So this is all the gel I have. Like I said earlier, it's real thick, it's gluey, it looks clumpy, and that little white stuff is part of the gelatin. So I'm going ahead, I detangled my hair by section, and I am plastering this on my hair. And as you can tell on my face, it's not what I'm expecting, and I do get some of the white clumps in there too, but I mean, hey, it goes away after a while. But yeah, it's not turned out the way I thought it would be at all. So I think I have to come correct you know, later on. But I keep adding on product thinking it's going to, you know, do its thing, but it doesn't. So yeah, I have to kind of switch it on up, okay, and add some water. You guys gonna tell later on I got my water bottle out and add some water because this is not gonna work, okay? So when I go ahead and spray some water on, it kind of helps. I think my hair needs to be moist putting this gel on, which is so weird to me because when I'm doing it as a deep condition, my hair is not moist. I just plaster on dry hair, but it seemed like with the gel it turns out better if I wet it and add the gel, so it comes out way more defined, which I was happy about. And I'm not using it. I tried a denim brush, it didn't work too well. It wasn't as defined as I wanted it to be, so I think using my fingers is the best bet to getting as defined as I want. So yeah, I just keep plastering the gel on my hair until I feel like it's defined as much as I want it. And as you guys can tell, it's really clumping really pretty. And so I'm just going to do it the same process again, detangling, and like I said, I spray water on it this time so I can get it nice and soft, and then apply the gel so that my curls can pop. So I'm just gonna let you guys keep watching to see how I do this, okay? And guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos from moi, okay? I'm going to have another video coming soon on a protective style, so definitely subscribe if you want to see that. And yeah, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to check in and let you know how I feel about this aloe vera gel. So this is my results. It took a little minute in the beginning, like it was just hard for me to figure out how this is going to define, but it defined really good at the end. It's kind of semi-dry, but it's really sticky. Like guys, if you're going to do this and do a DIY with this is very sticky and clammy and all over the place. I think I'm about to go take another shower because I took a shower and then did this, but right now it looks really pretty. It's a really pretty it's not wash and go at all because my hair was already washed. I just went ahead and applied this on damp hair, and yeah, it's not bad at all. I don't know how it would do if I did it freshly washed, which I might try again. I completely finished all of the aloe vera gel. I didn't have any left over to save, so that was kind of good. I didn't have to go and buy a glass jar to save any of it, but it actually came out pretty good. Like I said, some of the are very defined, as you can tell, so I'm not complaining whatsoever about this. I am going to probably put it in a poof because outside, is that part of the gel? Yeah, that's the only thing I hate about it. Like has like the clumps of stuff inside of it. It looks like you have dandruff or something. But yeah, I'm gonna probably put it in a poof because outside is really weird outside, and my hair is gonna probably go. So to avoid that, I am just gonna put it in a poof. But yeah, guys, I might put a picture on my Instagram, so definitely follow me on Instagram. It is Ruth_Nanda_. So don't forget to follow me there. Subscribe to my channel because I mean, why not? Okay, like that. Subscribe, hit the red button. You know where it is, you know how it goes, you know the process, and you know what, you want to know what, it's free $99. So who doesn't like stuff that's free? Okay. And I'm sorry, I'm coming in here with no makeup. I'm breaking out places. I have to wash my makeup brushes. Wash your makeup brushes, guys, because you will break out. Okay. But anyway, back to this. I am done with this aloe vera gel DIY and results. So guys, if you want to try it, definitely go ahead and try it, okay? And let me know down below how you feel about it. What was your results? Because I would love to know. And if I'm going to try it again, yes, I am going to try it again. And I'm also probably going to make flaxseed. I'm really interested in trying flaxseed, so I'm definitely going to try flaxseed gel and see how I like that, and maybe combine the two and see if the two of them are popping together, you know, and try it on freshly washed hair. So yeah, I mean, I can't complain. It's like halfway drying already, which is so crazy. But all the rest of me is really sticky. This thing is very messy, but it's healthy for your hair and it has a lot of benefits as well as it's natural. So who can complain about those? So yeah, guys, until next time, kisses from me to you, and bye.